Okay, guys. I just want to say, firstly, thanks to everyone who actually watches my videos. The OG legacy people that have stuck around from day one. I know some of you are still here because you're still talking to me in the Discord channel and stuff. But I just wanted to talk about really, because maybe a lot of you are curious. Maybe a lot of you want to begin your own channel. Maybe, you've all got ventures, but it's just like actually making that first step in doing it. Well, I thought I would just share with you exactly what I have earned from particularly YouTube on the AdSense side of things in terms of the advertising revenue that is generated from people watching my videos. And I thought it's very interesting. I know it's probably quite a sensitive topic, but I'm not really ashamed to share this with you and be transparent because I am also curious. I was curious before, like what could a small channel even generate something with only like 2,000 subscribers. I mean, I'm a very, very small cog in a big wheel in this sort of financial crypto sector. And, I aim to strive and be authentic and make sure that everything I do is fully organic. There is no fakeness involved with what I do. I'm never going to buy subs. I'm never going to do any of this stuff because it doesn't reflect true value. I'd rather have 3,000 real people than a channel that looks like it's doing well, but really it's doing terrible with a load of bot views and stuff. I am going to keep this channel as realistic and truthful as possible. So I thought I'd just share with you really what's going on. I mean, I started this channel when I was in the Philippines because, well, I got into cryptocurrency in 2020. To be fair, I accumulated a lot of Ethereum. I thought I was an expert, I felt like I was a god because I saw my portfolio grow and grow and grow. But then I realized, well, actually, I was just pretty much a noob. And I accumulated during a very fearful event during the COVID-19 March 17, 2020 market crash. And I was already interested in crypto. I had a bit of XRP. And I wanted to get Bitcoin. And when I saw it come down to like $4,000, that was it. That was the catalyst that made me get my first Ethereums and Bitcoin. And from then onwards, I've just been constantly researching the market, understanding what layer one infrastructures are, DeFi, NFTs, and just really staying with the market and what's relevant today. So we can see so far last 28 days, this is what the statistics are. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But really, my message to you right now is if you are keen or if you want to get started on doing something, don't hold fire on it. If it's a long-term view, results don't have to be instantaneous, and it's easy to feel very bummed down about things. I mean, if 100 good things happen in one day and one bad thing happened, you're going to focus on that one bad thing, aren't you? You're going to completely ignore all of the other 100 things. So, yeah, that's just a little bit of an insight. I started the channel because I wanted to get more confidence speaking to a camera, work on my charisma skills, of course tap into a really, really niche and fast growing sector such as cryptocurrency. And here we can just see a little bit of statistics. So I'm just going to show you like what did I actually earn in my first 2 weeks of being monetized. Well, if I just quickly show you on the custom side of things, I think it was March 2022, 22nd of March was my first time being monetized. So 2 weeks of monetization. This is exactly what it is. So we can see the estimated revenue was $79 in $79. Wow, crypto has definitely changed me. £79. £79. I mean, that's for 2 weeks. It's okay. It's well, not in the United Kingdom. I mean, that's terrible. You're still going to have a very poverty lifestyle, or even just getting through the basics because, yeah, I don't want to talk about this stuff. Anyway, this is not relevant. So estimated revenue, £79 for 2 weeks. And I was impressed. I was thinking, whoa, I've only got 2K subs. Like, how did I get £79 in just 2 weeks? I mean, don't get me wrong, it's quite a lot of continuous effort, but I just thought only channels with like 10, 20, 30K would even be achieving such, they're not great numbers, but it's another like stream of revenue. And it makes me happy to think that people are actually watching and like vibing off of this content. And it reflects in the data right here. You can see this particular one video here, AVE price prediction, £11 generated from this one video. What's also interesting is if people watch videos from the past, content that maybe I made 3 months ago that's evergreen, people will also be clicking onto this content and it'll be dripping revenue in. So the more content that's out there, the more relevant evergreen content as well, people will refer back to in the future, for example, a tutorial or something, and they'll look at it. Another interesting thing is the playback based CPM, £8.36. I believe this is to do with the demographic, the target audience, or like the genre of the video. For example, if it was like a gaming or makeup channel, the CPM would be much lower because that target audience would be maybe not less relevant, because of course they're watching that, but the propensity to spend a lot of money and actually engage with the advert from an advertising perspective is probably less yielding and rewarding than someone who is an investor looking at crypto videos that is probably ready to make the move and actually engage with the advert that's probably on the YouTube video, such as exchanges or signing up to an account or some sort of trading course. It could be anything like that, where they're more likely to spend a lot of money, and that's probably why the CPM is quite high. So you could think of it actually, well, the way I think of it, if I've got 2,000 subscribers, I've actually got 20,000 subscribers on a more sort of non-niche channel, so to speak. So yeah, 20k subs, I'd be looking at myself as, whoa, I've got maybe 200k subs. Because if I had 20k subs, maybe this revenue would actually be £790 over 2 weeks. Now that's some big numbers. But right now, it's all about just enjoying what I'm doing, building the community, helping the people on the channel. If people have questions, if they want to learn how to trade, strategies, understand what crypto is, anything. So more like on beginners and just helping people have a journey, because I had great successes with the cryptocurrency at the beginning, and everything I've learned now I can't wait to apply to future cycles and reap benefit from in that sort of sense too. This particular chart or data or graph plot, this shows you the revenue really of each individual video. We can see each video has a different CPM as well. I'm sure that's to do with keywords and the target audience. I mean, some of them have an insanely high CPM. Look at this one. So we were just talking about chart patterns, weren't we, and trading courses. £39 CPM. I mean, this video didn't get a lot of views, so I got like literally £1 for that video. But if it does kick off in the future and like more people watch it, of course that revenue is going to go up, and that content is now published. It's there, and this is all very, very small amounts of revenue. Some of them are a little bit higher, but overall, just for this particular period, just that very small period, it's at £79. If we were to go on to last 90 days, we can see I'm at £131. I haven't been monetized for that long. I've been monetized for, I'm sure it was only around 35 days now, or something like that. But we can see here like the actual earnings for each one, and there it is. This is all the data, fully transparent. I've got nothing to hide in this channel. And what I'm going to do, because I'm not really interested in the revenue side of things, I mean, that could always change, but I want to put together a structure where I'm investing back into the community, meaning I'm going to start doing the giveaways. I think my first giveaway is going to be either as soon as I get my first AdSense payment, or I'm going to launch some products that will actually help people, well, firstly, add value to the communities, and secondly, help people learn and understand what crypto is. It could be something simply, educational, or it could be trading strategy. I'm not too sure yet. I haven't really put it all into, the thought. I haven't really gone for a bigger plan just yet. However, at the moment, I just want to focus on growing the community, putting more content out there that people want to hear, and I suppose being fully transparent about, everything. And that's what's important. It's having people, relationships is important, and people that value, that's always very important in life. So that's probably the plans for the channel. The plans for the channel is just to stay realistic, stay pragmatic, not be a moon boy, not try to make money on people's liquidations. I'm going to shout out some names, maybe Carl at the Moon, Crypto, people like that. I would say avoid. If you do like YouTubers, go look at Benjamin Cowan or Coin Bureau. There's a few other amazing channels out there. But yeah, for me, of course, I'm just a very small fish, in a big pond. And that's the way it is. But I'm super happy for everyone that has actually literally subscribed. And I can't believe people actually click the notification bell. A lot of you have done that. You actually click the bell, you get a notification from me, and then you actually choose to spend your valuable time watching silly old me talking about cryptocurrency projects. So that is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, guys. It's unreal. It really is unreal. And I suppose on the note of like communities and everything, come hop in the Discord. You're gonna get some, exclusive benefits. Come say hello to all of us. There's about, I don't know, 200 people at the moment in here, and yeah, it'd be great to see you there. Say hello. We will say hello back to you. No strings attached. It's just a very small community. You can follow me on Twitter if you want. Very small, once again. jacobcrypobury at Twitter. If you want to become a patron, I got a few patrons at the moment. 5 lovely people. Patreon, price for coffee. You're going to get these exclusive benefits. You can find all that down in the link below. If you want to grab crypto today as well, you can use my exchange sign up at the top of the description. And that's about it, guys. Just want to say thanks, and we'll see you soon.